Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to put birthday countdown on Instagram story. It's quite a simple process. Just follow me till the end and you'll get the idea of how to do this. Now, if you want to add a birthday counter on your Instagram story, first up, open up your profile. Once you're in here, you can go ahead and click on the plus symbol on the bottom here and just click on story. After this, you can take a picture. It all comes down to your choice. You can choose a picture of the person that you're wishing the birthday for as well. This is up to you and your customization. Once this is done, I'll now show you how you can add that counter. All you have to do is to click on the stickers button and then you will see the countdown sticker. Just click on that, add a name. Then you can go ahead and select the end date. So let's say I want to put up the end date as tomorrow. Once that is done, you can click on done. And after this, you can click on your story on the bottom left here. And once you've posted, the countdown will get started. And after the countdown ends, you will get a nice little animation at the end. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can put birthday countdown on Instagram story. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.